Iman from the UK.
My mum used to tell me that whenever my menses ended, I have to take a shower, otherwise my prayers would be invalid. I thought it was just like a normal shower. So whenever my menses would end, I'd shower normally, and I would pray like many prayers with that invalid ghusl. I later on found out that rinsing the mouth and nose was obligatory. Do I have to make up these prayers? And there's like, it's many prayers, and I have bad waswas already within my prayers. So if I were to make them up, it'd already be a bit difficult. Jazakallah khair.
وَجَزَاكُمْ. Alhamdulillah. Allah Azza wa Jal is the most merciful, most gracious, most kind. And if a person does a mistake out of ignorance, out of negligence, such as your mistake, Allah the Almighty forgives it and does not hold you accountable for it. Which means that now that you know the ruling, all of your previous prayers are valid and accepted due to your ignorance of the ruling. And from now on, you have to be careful not to skip any of the mandatory acts of your ghusl and to follow the sunnah. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. And have you ever taken a counseling session with me? Go to my website and you will find counseling sessions and apply for one. If you can afford it, that's good for you. If you cannot, you're entitled for one free session. And this is for everybody. If they can affirm by Allah that they cannot afford it because they're poor, I'll give them one free session without a problem, a full half an hour. So come to me and let's speak about it, inshallah, within the following 2 days or 3 days. And bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, I will try and seek Allah's guidance to solve your problem once and for all, bi'idhnillah.